Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. I wanted to film another Misfit Market video, not because I'm sponsored, because I'm not. I've never been sponsored from Misfit Market. It's just a company that me and my husband love to support because of their whole mission and their products, and everything about them is just right up our alley. So I wanted to show you guys what we've recently got, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the process of Misfit Market because I think it might be confusing because it's not your average thing. So I've definitely talked about this in a video that there's two different kinds of ways on shopping on Misfit Market. One of them is their mystery box, and their mystery box is basically a bunch of like fruits and vegetables that'll come to you that are like maybe misshapen or look a little funny because they grew a little funny, and they can't be sold in stores because they look a little funny. That's literally it. They look a little funny. So they'll send you a box. You can customize your box. You can get a completely random box. And the other way of doing it is that they actually are like an online shopping site, but the way that you shop on it is just a little bit different. So this is completely customized. You don't have to get anything mystery. It's not just a box of fruits and vegetables. You can just go on their it's like a marketplace basically, and you can just add things to your cart. I guess because things are changing all the time, their inventory, the shop doesn't open until, for me, Wednesday. I think for everybody it's on a Wednesday. So once Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time comes, Misfit Market opens up and you can go shopping on their website. You just add things to your cart. Now there's no actual checkout, so you're not gonna be able to like check out at the end. What happens is they give you a window of time to shop, and if your cart is equal to $30 or more, they'll ship it to you once the window closes. And you get to pick how often you do this. You get to pick what day you want it shipped to you on. You get to literally customize everything that you want when it comes to this. So all you have to do is just add products to your cart, and if it's over $30, they will ship it to you at the time that the window closes. They tell you exactly what day they're going to charge you, and they tell you exactly when you could expect the food to arrive, and you get to pick that day. So like we pick Fridays in our house because my husband gets out of work early on Fridays, and we know we'll be home to get the packages. So now I want to just kind of show you what we recently got, and I want to like completely shock you at the end of how much money we actually spent on these groceries because of referrals from you guys. I don't pay for membership. I'm not in their like extra plus join thing. I am just a regular member who occasionally will shop on their website. Only things to remember is that your cart has to be over $30 in order for them to ship it to you. And if you want free shipping, it has to be over $70. But here's the really cool part. Let's say you use my referral. You get $35, I get $35. We both win. You go and you're like, let me fill my cart with $35 worth of stuff. Will they ship it if you use your coupon code and your total becomes $0? Will they still ship it to you? Yes, they will. They will still ship it to you. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. You'll have to pay for shipping on that because there's a free shipping threshold. But let's just say you use my code and then you get a referral code. So you're getting $35 off from me, and then you're referring a friend and they're getting $35 off, and then you're getting $35 off again. That's $70 that you're getting off. So let's just say you fill your cart with $70 worth of stuff from Misfit Market. Your cart's $70. They automatically apply all the credits that are in your account. So all the coupon codes or all the referrals, whether it's from somebody using your referral or you using my referral, they automatically deduct it. So now you have two. You have the one that you used from my code, and you have the one that a friend or a family member used of yours. That's $70. And you added $70 worth of stuff in your cart. They automatically will deduct $70 and they will ship it to you for free. Guys, don't believe me? Don't believe me? Watch what I just bought from Misfit Market. Watch how much stuff I got and how much we paid for it. So our Misfit Market just came in and we got 2 boxes. So we'll show you that. Hey, babe. And there they are. And let's unbox them. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh, wowie. Wow. Okay, what's in this one?
Made from recycled water bottles.
Yeah, it's made from recycled water bottles. You see that? Very cool. Wow, what's this? Open for exclusive offers and deals. Oh, okay. Not that exciting. Not that exciting. Some coupon codes to other places. All right, what are we starting with, babe? Asparagus. Got some asparagus. Babe, I need help.
Fabletics and stuff.
There's so much here.
Okay.
All right, we got some asparagus. We did not try these last time. We tried the other ones last time. These are ones, no, yeah, these are the ones we tried last time. We know we love these. Yeah, I think I got 2 of those. Okay, I'm getting crazy. Never tried these before. This is new. Always get nutritional yeast. Oh yeah, so we got, these are gluten-free, so we can do s'mores, and we have vegan marshmallows.
Vegan and gluten-free.
Vegan and gluten-free. All right. We got some kale.
Get this kale out of here.
Let's get the kale out of here. Got some celery. Got some iceberg lettuce. I think it's iceberg. Well, it's lettuce. Okay. Got some Purely Elizabeth chocolate and sea salt. So everything is vegan and gluten-free, and you can shop their website like based on your dietary restrictions or your preference or whatever. Wow, this is like pretty, there's a lot in here. So these are some green lentils. Here's some red lentils. Like, they're heavy bags.
Yeah.
These are like pretty good. Chickpeas, gluten-free pasta, and vegan, of course. Oh, I added this on last minute. I don't know if you saw it. Did I show you this? Simply sea salt crunchy mung beans.
I did not see that.
Yeah, that was like a last minute add-on because we got like another referral before it was checkout time, so I just threw it in the cart. And this, I think I showed you this one. Yeah, Daily Crunch. These are great snacks, and I think that's everything in this box. Yeah, that's everything in this box, but we have another box to unbox, so let's do it. Box number 2. All right. Some more of those. I guess that's a new thing they're doing. Yes, so we got 3 of Bob's Red Mills. We got 3 of the oats because we use this in a lot of recipes. And we love Bob Red Mills. We got these ones. We haven't been able to find these anywhere that's vegan and gluten-free, but we found them here. And if you could see my husband right now, he's dancing. So we got 2 of these actually. I didn't remember that.
Okay.
We got 2 of these.
I remember that.
We got like 57,000 of these. These are gluten-free and vegan. We got 4 of them, I think. Yeah, wraps. We got another thing of rice cakes. Okay, what's in here? Oh yeah, okay, cool. Is this yogurt? Yeah, so this is yogurt. Vegan and gluten-free. We got these fake meat. Gotta show these so I can get comments and it can help my engagement. Oh, some more. Oh, we haven't tried this. We never tried. But these are vegan and gluten-free, and they're like slices, like cold cuts, basically. We also got these we love them, the brand Impossible. They're really good, and not all their stuff is gluten-free, but when it is gluten-free, we grab it. So we got these Impossible vegan and gluten-free meats. We got ricotta, vegan and gluten-free. Do I have to keep saying vegan and gluten-free? I think you guys know. We got the Impossible spicy sausage. We got tempeh. We got vegan and gluten-free mozzarella. Mozzarella. we got another, this is the savory one. So the other one's spicy, this one's savory. They're freezing. They're not like hard. Like you can definitely cook it. They're not frozen, but they're freezing, so that's good. Oh, these are little. Okay, these are little. I thought these were gonna be bigger, but they were super, super cheap. This is for the pups. This is not vegan, but they're little, but that was for our pups. they're just chicken. They're very little. I didn't expect them to be so little, did you?
No, I didn't.
Anything else in here? And here's like a bunch of ice packs. I thought we got another, the peanut butter one, didn't we?
No, we got 2 of the. Oh, maybe.
Let me check the order, because usually, I'm gonna check the order, but if they like run out of something, wow, this is so embarrassing what that table looks like right now. We're under construction. If they run out of something, they'll give you a credit to your account, basically, to use in a future purchase. You can use it like the next time you purchase it, it automatically gets applied. So I'm gonna check that out and see what happened with that. But guess how much this order cost us? Babe, you want to take a guess? I think you know.
I know.
Well, how much would you think it cost if it was just
$160?
$160. It cost us $4. This is not a joke, guys. And like Misfit like didn't reach out to me to do this. This is just a brand that I think it was a referral from one of my clients back in the day, and I wound up loving it. Yeah, they've never reached out to me. They never asked me to do a video. This is just their referral program. So I have a referral code I'll leave down below. You guys can use it and get $35 off your first order. And then you will get a referral code for people to refer. So then you can use it. And these were all referrals plus one coupon code that they sent me an email. I think it was for, could it be like Memorial Day or something? I don't know, some holiday or something that's coming up. They gave me $20 off. And the rest of it was all referrals from you guys. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And don't forget to sign up using my code down below. And you'll also get a referral code that you can share with your friends and family and get $35 off every time that somebody signs up. And they'll get $35 off. So it's not like you're doing anything that's like, you know, you're benefiting and they're not. Like everybody here is benefiting. And plus this is all getting saved out of like landfills and stuff because like it's misshapen food. It's food that like doesn't make it to supermarkets. So everybody's winning in this situation. Just checked. We actually did only order one of the peanut butter things. I'm going to have it on the screen. So we don't have any credits. Everything was in stock when we ordered it. So we're super happy about that. That's the video, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful to you in times that we're in right now. I think it's so important to have something like this because groceries are so expensive and they're only going to get more expensive. And this just really could help you out. It could help me out. It does help me out. You guys have been helping me out by using my referral code. Everything will be linked down below. And don't forget, you can refer your friends and family. This isn't an influencer thing. This is literally just share your code with friends and family, people that you love, that they can use $35 off of their groceries. And you can also use $35 off of your groceries. I also want to say that you can shop by gluten-free. You can shop by plant-based. You can shop by meats, produce. All the categories are right there. It is super easy to navigate. They also email you once your order has been delivered, so you don't have to worry about it sitting outside and you not knowing it's there. See you guys next time. Bye.